You want to leave a message, but you don't know what to say? After watching this video, I'm sure that you know what to do. Hello, my name is Hide, and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, I will teach you how to leave a message for someone. This is quite hesitating to do, but once you practiced it, it will be easy. Let's start. それでは始めましょう。電話があったことをお伝えください。またお電話します。This means, tell him or her that I called. I will call back again later. Let's practice. 電話があったことをお伝えください。またお電話します。メッセージをお願いできますか？ This means, can I leave a message? Let's practice. メッセージをお願いできますか？お時間があるときに折り返しお電話ください。This means, please ask him to call as soon as he's free. Let's practice. お時間があるときに折り返しお電話ください。終わりましたら私に電話をするようにお伝えください。This means, when he's done, please ask him to call me. Let's practice. 終わりましたら私に電話をするようにお伝えください。I hope that this episode will help you to be more confident in making and taking phone calls. You may always watch this video to practice with me, but for now, here's a summary of what we have talked about today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the notification bell if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。